A very good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Panda Key Learning. So please check with my voice. So once again, good afternoon to everyone. So please put message in chat box. Please check with my voice. So good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Panda Key Learning. So I am Lakshmi from Pantech Software Department. So today we are discussing about the augmented reality and as well as virtual reality. Before going to that, I will give some discussion about the introduction part about college and as well as Pantech. So here in Panda Key Learning, we are providing training process and we are providing the services to the people and as well as research and development, and we have established this one this Panda Key Learning 2004, and we have 100 plus team size people are there here, and we are giving training for the workshops not only for the students, and we are giving for the faculty also, and we have already subscription of 1 lakh more, and all people are need not only for the existing things, whatever we have the new technologies, students and faculty they are interested to learn the new technologies, and that's why we are providing for the training and as well as training based on the workshops, faculty development, programmings, and we have done two more lot of intensives, thousands of internship we have done, and we have online courses and we are providing the guidance, and also we are doing research and development process are there regarding for the PhD people and for the student purpose also. So today we are discussing about in these new technologies augmented reality and as well as virtual reality. So present is this is a trendy thing, okay, how the data science is going off. So along with that, this augmented reality and virtual reality is in a better position. So that's why today we will go with this discussion of augmented reality and as well as virtual reality. So thank you sir, thanks for giving this opportunity, and if you want to see this one, like watch on to this, and we have the registration. So augmented reality and virtual reality. So now we kept as augmented reality is the first, the next one we are going with the virtual reality, but in virtual reality only we are going with the augmented reality, and how we are using and what is the use of that reality process we will tell you here. So now before going to the augmented reality, you have to know the virtual reality, and you can see this picture. Based on this picture also we can say what is a virtual reality. So virtual is nothing but one, present days we are having all are in online process, right? So if you want to discuss anything, so people are not coming to the colleges, and some people sometimes if we have any health issues we can't attend anything directly. So that's why we have virtual reality process, means in virtual process. So that virtual process and as well as augmented process we are discussing here. So before going to the virtual reality step, so we will discuss some theoretical part about that one, and what is the virtual reality and what is the augmented reality. So how we are doing online process, like whatever we have the online process through the virtual process like Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft, okay, we can see the person through the virtual. In online process we can see the person without any interaction, like a what's it, directly we can't touch the people, we can see the people how we are using the video call process there. So like that, here also how we are taking Google Meet or Zoom or what is it, Microsoft, we if we want to discuss anything along with the team, okay, so we should discuss on virtual process. So present days all things are going in a virtual process only. So like that how we are discussing there, the same thing, whatever we have the possibility here. So in 3D format we can see all objects or videos by using virtual reality process. So that is only we are discussing here, okay. The virtual reality process is nothing but whenever you are going with the virtual process, like you are seeing or you are watching movies in 3D format, and you can see Google Maps, and you can see some gaming parts, okay. We have like a what is that, a fire based uh, and we have new gaming parts are there now present days, virtual based gamings, like in 3D format we have, right. So we have different type of gaming activities are at anywhere we can use, but how we are using what is the virtual reality we can see here now, okay. So virtual reality where we can use, so we can it's one of the computer technology, we can easily adopt this one in our software technology. Whatever we have the systems, in that systems we can do the software process here. Along with that we have to use some hardware things, then in real time we can work with this virtual reality. In these pictures you can see left side and right side we have the pictures. If you are watching movies in Telugu or at anywhere, and we have some options are there, right. So you can see when you are watching movies for the 3D movies, or you can see in movies also in some particular areas, if you want to find some particular person in a thief identification applications like this, we can see in our movies, right, how they are creating, how they are seeing all those things through the virtual reality only. So what we can do in this virtual reality, so whatever we are seeing through the camera or with the images we can see in a 3D format, okay. How we are seeing the pictures in a 3D format, so for example you have taken the original picture from the top side, and if you know all the data what you have in top left right bottom, if you are moving the picture in 3D format it will show the picture what you have. So that is only the virtual reality, and here we have interacted with the 3D pictures and 3D world whatever we have. So we can't touch exactly the objects here, okay, we can't touch, we can't feel, but we can see in a virtual process whatever we have the imaginary things are there in our brain, we can show that imaginary things through the virtual camera, whatever we have, the camera is there. So through the virtual camera we can show here. So for this virtual process, and what we can use by using this virtual reality process, what we can do in a real time applications we can see. So we have two options. Okay, with the software part we can use, otherwise with the hardware combination also we can use. Okay, along with any other controllers or anything we can use for the hardware part setup also. So here if you are going with the software part in computer vision based, and if you want to hear, if you want to touch anything, even if you want to smelt anything along with the hardware part, if you are connecting any hardware means we can smelt it also. So this is the artificial world, like whatever we are trying to see or watch videos in this virtual process, we can say this is only the artificial world. Means we can see, we can touch, but we can't feel that one. Only we can feel only the, sometimes we can smell, we can feel that one. So this is only the important thing in a virtual reality process. Okay, so these are available in present days for the medical applications, and as well as uh, business applications, movie applications, in Google Map applications. Okay, whatever you need, where you need exactly, we can use this virtual reality process. So in single line we can say the virtual reality is nothing but whatever we are seeing, the whatever we are seeing the images or videos in 3D format, we can do anything. Example purpose, if you know very well about the gaming part, you can see in gaming part. So present days we have the gaming part, two are very high, right? So one is about the fire, what is that, gun based gamings are there, and next one is PUBG, like that some gaming parts are there na. So in that you can see some soldiers are there. So some soldiers or some any other persons, okay, you are the hero in that game part. Okay, so you want to kill some people who are there, negative people. So in that gaming part, what we analyze there, so we have taken the original picture areas. In that original picture areas, along with the 3D format, okay, we have designed some information here, we have designed like some things here, and whatever we have the original areas, in that only we are trying to move these gaming parts. Okay, you can see like in that gaming part only we have forest area, and we have normal village area, and we have the town area. Okay, for example, if the person is trying to kill some negative people, okay, he needs some gun. Okay, gun we have to give. Whenever he is taking the gun, he want to move forward, otherwise he want to save himself sometimes. Then what will happen at the time? So when he is moving along with the gun, so whatever we have the pictures, original pictures or videos, in that only in virtual process we are doing all those things, all activities we are doing for the virtual reality process. So example, I told only the gaming part. It's not only enough with the gaming part. We can see in different technologies and different applications are there. We can see that applications here, what we have the applications. Okay, so in military applications, and in educational, healthcare department, entertainment applications, any computer vision applications, we have different type of applications in a virtual reality. Then how we can use in military applications, how we can use in educational department. So all those things we can see here with the examples. And how we can use this information in a military applications, we can see here. Okay, so how the virtual reality will used in a military applications. If you want to treat any person, like for some persons or in some areas, okay, you are in here, okay, but the people are, whatever your military people are trying to gather some information from another people or to save some another people. So there they have the what is that camera, and here we have the camera, okay. Then so the person want to see what is there in particular area, okay. And otherwise, if you want to share some information, if you want to help to the military people, you are in a main department, okay. So you are in a main branch, and you are in a main building, but people are in outside. But if you connected with the virtually, okay, whatever they are doing and how they are going, if they need any help or not, if they need any if they have any problem, okay, any injured things are there, so you want to check, okay, because some people when they are doing some their work, okay, in military applications, they will get some injuries because of opposite people. So they will also do the same thing what we are doing, right? So at the time, if they are getting any issues, maybe they are get injured, at the time we have to find out the situation, what happened exactly in a war area, then how the people can use this virtual reality for that means. So by using some virtual cameras, so we can see all those things. And if they are in a abnormal situation, because they are doing in a border areas, if they have any problem with the they are suffering with any abnormal activities, if you want to boost up the people, this virtual reality will use very useful. And sometimes and another application is also there with the virtual reality, because the main person is not here, okay, the people need some training part, then how they will train the people along with the virtual process, what they are doing there. And if we have the videos in 3D format, if you are seeing, means what they are doing, automatically we can easily understand. And you can see in cricket also. So for example, two batches are there, okay, one batch is batting and another batch is bowling, okay. So we have to see exactly how ball is going, okay, not only in a single way. So in 3D way we have to see from top side, left side, right side, bottom side, like that we have to see, and where is the exact area you have to see. At the time, this virtual reality will get very helpful to all people. So here, that is about the military applications. The next one is educational applications, where it's useful in educational applications. So if any person knows about the thing, you can put in chat box, and if you have any doubts also, you can ask me in chat box. Okay, no need to worry. We are only going with the theoretical part. No need to worry, and we can go with some practical part over here there. But if you want to go with the practical part over there, so we have to install some softwares we have to use, and which type of softwares we have to use. All those things I will tell you here. You need no need to worry about anything here. So now we are going with the education. In education, how it's useful. So in educational thing also, if you want to if you want to do any help for the educational people with the virtual reality, so if you want to promote anything about your company or your project, sorry, your company, okay, or your college, okay, if you want to promote anything in virtual process, we can do for the people, okay. We can easily interact with the people who are there in an education department, not only for the students, along with the faculty or any other people. We can easily interact with the people through the virtual reality. And the next one is healthcare. In healthcare, how we can use this virtual reality. Healthcare is nothing but what? So if person is getting any issues, okay, we have to find out the person. But sometimes you are not, you are a doctor, but you have to save the people at a time. But you are in a one person, one area only there, but you have to save another person also. They have some issues, injuries. You have to help them. Then how you will give help to that people? Through the virtual process, we can see. And if you want to find out any disease in a particular person based on the symptoms, you can say, right? But sometimes we can't we can't get that information, right? If you are going with a virtual reality, we can touch it, right? So then we can easily go with the healthcare monitoring based, and there we can give some suggestions or any medical tips. If you want to take any reports, anything in virtual reality process also, we can do that process. But you can see in healthcare only max we can use, and after that in entertainment or film or gaming purpose we can use. Why we are using this one means, if you want to train anything, if you want to find anything, you are not there in a, this is a virtual world, right? All things are going in an online process. At the time also we will get some issues. So if you are going with the virtual reality, we can't get lost more issues in a online process. That's why we are going with this virtual reality in a artificial world. And the next one is entertainment applications. In entertainment applications, where we can use. So if you have any online accounts like entertainment accounts like social media accounts, so there you have to do any virtual process we can use. And the next one is the main thing for the gaming activities. Okay, so for the gaming activities we can use this one. So how we can use for the gaming activities, we know very well about that, right? So if you are seeing any gaming activities, like this, if you are using this camera, we will think like we are in a different world. In this camera, what will happen? Here some virtual cameras are there, you can see. If you are using this virtual camera, so whatever we have the video process, that should be in a 3D format, and we will think we are in that world. Okay, we are not in that world. For example, you are in a village area, but if you are wearing this camera and you are giving some new world is like forest. Okay, then what you will think, if you are seeing very near like this, you will think you are in a forest. So if you are walking also, then you will think you are in a forest, and what is it? How the video is going on? If you are moving means, based on your movements, the area whatever we have, the virtual area like dream area in our eyes. So based on that, if you are moving means, you will think sometimes, yeah, if any animal is coming in front of you in that virtual world, not in a real world. So in real world also we can do along with this, but this is a virtual world, right? So that's why in that video, what you will think if any animal is coming, you will think like, oh god, something is came. So like that you will get some fear sometimes, right? That is only the entertainment process. And the next one is engineering step, and where we need the designing steps like this we can use. The next one is scientific visualization. If you want to display any visualization process, you can see like we have satellite areas, right? ISRO, right? So if they want to see anything in the system, they have connected some information in a satellite, right? So along with the information, so whenever the satellite is moving, so whenever the satellite is capturing some pictures, and whatever we have the pictures, we should see in 3D format. So that has actually superspectral, hyperspectral, multispectral images are there. But sometimes if you are taking very near, the pictures are very near to the earth, the picture is very clear, but you have to see in a all sides, then what you will do? So for that purpose also we can use this virtual reality. The next one is in films. And you know Triple R movie, right? So in that Triple R movie, we have the 3D option, right? Like a 3D video is there. Where we have the 3D video. So whenever we are watching that movie, there tiger came, right? So tiger is there in that movie. So when it is coming, okay, so at the time here is a hero is also moving, and he is also jumping, running, and along with him, so some tiger is also going. Is it possible in real time? So actually it's possible, but so it's not at all possible for all times. So they have created a virtual thing, like instead of that tiger, they will assign one person for that, okay, with a different color, like a fully covered with a green color or blue color. They should cover. And when the person is moving, so after that what is that, the animal should move, right? So whenever the animal is moving, so at the time the person is there, but we can see in a movie like it's tiger. But how they have created? So whatever we have already the stored video, so they have combined with the original video, and where you need exactly want to change, there only they have changed the tiger, okay. So like that any film type applications we can use. The next one is in educational applications for the children purpose, we can use this virtual reality. For example, what I have joined, for example, I'm a school kid. So if I joined in a school, so some COVID situation is there, for example, I can't attend classes directly, and the classes are going on in online. So at the time, whenever the classes are going in online, okay, so they want to show some pictures or any videos, some real things to the students. Then what they will do at the time, so they can show the videos, whatever they have the videos they can show, but it's not a realistic, fully realistic. At the time, if we are using the virtual reality process, and if you are showing any picture like what is that, any animal came in front of them, like that if they are thinking, okay, because we are in a virtual world, if any animal picture came and it's very near to the people, means they will get some anxiety, right? So for the educational purpose like that also we can try for the not only for the big people like college people, and this is also well helpful for the primary and secondary school people. And some people are asking about the attendance link, ma. Don't worry about the attendance link. So at the end of the session, before 10 to 20 minutes, we will share you the attendance link. So please say to your friends also, and at the end of the meeting, we can share the attendance link. Okay. And the next one is, so like this we have different type of applications, but this is not only enough with the virtual reality. And in virtual reality we have different type of virtual realities are there based on the requirements. And here we have 5 type of virtual reality process are there. And the first one is non-immersive reality, and the next one is fully immersive reality, and next one augmented reality, next collaborative based, and the web based. And before going to these applications, whatever we can use here we can show. Okay, so if you want to go with the hardware part for this virtual process, what you need? Okay, for the immersive room, so we need what is that, virtual cameras we need, and we have to take the some virtual reality based controllers we have to take. Okay, and these are the softwares. I will tell you how to use the softwares also. And before going to that, I will tell you about non-immersive reality. Non-immersive reality is nothing but, you can see, whenever you are going with the non-immersive reality, whatever we are watching the movies, I told you now only itself, right? So about the triple R movie, so in that triple R movie, whatever you need in a 3D format, okay, for that movie recommendations, okay, like a movie process, if you want to edit anything in a 3D format for the movies, any type of the movies, if you want to make changes anything in a movies, we can use, that is only the non-immersive reality. So what is nothing but non-immersive? So I am telling, this is almost we are using for the and the next one is fully immersive. So the next one is fully immersive reality. So fully immersive reality is nothing but, so you can see sometimes we will take some what is that, magic sticks, motion sticks we can take, right? You can see in real time also, like in videos. So we'll think like some people are there in front of us, whatever we have the like body measurements, each and everything, like how the person is there here. For example, this person is there, this person want to play the games in a what is that, virtually. Okay, so if the two people are there, they want to do play any games in virtual process. If the person is jumping, virtual process opposite, the picture also will jump. So means what is the process here? That is only the virtual process here. So at the time, if you are using any sticks in your hand, motion sticks, okay, so the type of the thing, if you are using like that, any real time based virtual process, that is only the fully immersive. Okay, for the playing games we can use. And the next one is augmented reality. Augmented reality is nothing but it's fully real time process. So how we can use this augmented reality in fully real time process means, for the educational purpose, whatever we have already done, okay, for the educational purpose or any Google Map purpose, okay, any productive web based, so we can use this augmented reality. And the next one is the collaborative and as well as the web based. Web based is nothing but, whenever you're connecting the all those things with the web, we can say that is a web based. Means whatever we have the video that can see in a website. Okay, so there whatever we are taking the conditions, based on the conditions, it will run the program, and as well as we can see the output in a web based. So now we are going with the in detailed information about the non-immersive virtual reality. So what is the use of the non-immersive virtual reality means, whenever you're using some virtual cameras for this, okay, along with the software, not with the hardware part. So along with the software part, if you want to make any changes in a pictures or anything videos, but not only a normal process, in 360 degrees. Okay, so in fully immersive 360 degrees it will take, means so whole top, left, right, bottom, like that, whatever we have the whole area in fully immersive, it will take, but in non immersive, so also it will take almost. So here, whenever you're going with the immersive and non-immersive environments, there, so it will take 360 degrees location. 360 degrees is nothing but what? So if you started from the right, if you want again you want to end up to end in a right only, means you are rotating in a right side. Okay, and from the right side you have rotated, and where you want to end exactly, you have to end in a right side only, means 360 degrees. If you are moving, means like if you are turning like a 360 degrees, how we can turn, how we can roll all those objects in a 360 degrees, like that whatever we are seeing the images or videos, that should be shown in a 360 degrees whenever you are using the virtual reality. And this fully immersive method, whatever we have, the fully immersive reality is there in digital requirements, in digital world, it's a very useful to all people. And this is about the thing like how we are using in a, what is that, satellite applications, or any gaming activities like a motion sticks, if you are using any sticks. Okay, so like that we can use this immersive virtual reality process. So for example, how you need exactly, for example, you are there here, example in this picture you can see you are there here, so in front of you virtual process is there, because like whatever we are seeing there, like actually in YouTube also you can see some videos will come. Okay, how the videos will come, if the person is moving automatically, one what is that, same virtual process emoji also will move, how it's moving based on the virtual reality process. So the type of activities, okay, how you are moving like that, is there any virtual bird or a virtual mouse, anything is moving along with you, that is only the virtual process with the fully immersive. So augmented reality in real times we can use. The next one is, we can go with augmented reality. Again I am telling you about the augmented reality. So augmented reality is nothing but in real time, at anywhere we can use that one. The next one is collaborative process. What is a collaborative? You can see collaboration is nothing but what we will think like collaborate. So you are in a Hyderabad, you want to connect with the different people in a different countries or different states, they are there, so you want to collaborate with the all people in a same time. Then how you will collaborate, means you want to meet some people directly, but it's not possible to you, so then we can go with the virtual process. Okay, so how we have the Google Meet, Zoom, or any Microsoft Teams, so if you are connecting to each other with along with the same link, okay, that is only the collaborative process here. But we can remote the locations wherever the people are there. For example, you are here but another people are in a different location. If you want to move touch like that, we can touch and move by using the collaborative process. In collaborative process, collaborative is nothing but you have to understand two or more things is combining in a single environment. Okay, it's not about the full single environment, so it's like a in virtual process we can combine all those people in a same manner by using collaborative process. And the next one is web based. So in this web based, what we can use in this web based, so in this web based we have to immerse the platforms, whatever we have the platforms with the different type of the frameworks like web technologies, anything. So with the we have to interact that whatever we have the movies or anything, if you want to interact anything, like if you have a stored video anything, So you want to show the images or videos in a web based, you can go with the web based virtual reality. So for this purpose we have to see this hardwares. Immersive rooms, in immersive rooms is nothing but like whatever we have already discussed here, any what is that gaming activities. And you know the gaming activities, right? So you people know very well about the gaming activities. So if you are moving along with the motion stick and in front of you the same measurements of your picture image will move like you, how you are moving. If you are jumping means it will jump. Okay, some people are some asking questions. Okay. Actually, ma, in virtual reality, what we are doing? So, what timing is go? What time going? Virtual assistant. Some people telling your voice is like a virtual assistant. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So actually, in virtual reality, whatever you have the not fully real time. So augmented reality, exactly augmented reality we can use for the fully real time. So is there any gaming activities or any what is that any web based activities or any movie applications we can use this virtual reality. So here you can see like how you will feel the gaming activities there. If you are moving means it will move along with you, right? So for the gaming activities also we can use, and for that we have the different hardwares are here. So HMD is there, data glows are there, and immersive rooms. Immersive rooms is nothing but for the gaming activities, and handle virtual reality controllers. Virtual reality controllers are nothing but however you are using earphones or any other those mobiles like that. So like that we have some hardware setups are there, virtual cameras and the setups like what is that speakers like that, all those things are there. And we are not only using this information in a software, we can use in within a hardware with along with the hardware also. We can do all those things along with the hardware also. And the next one here, uh, in mobiles also we can use this virtual reality process. How we will think, like you can see if you are going to the Google Maps, okay, if you want to search some location, it will show some pictures through the satellite, right? So how the pictures are showing, if you are moving left side it will go to the left side, right side means it will go to the right side. So whatever you have the exactly location, so around the location whatever we have we can see in a Google Maps. So the type of the applications also we are using in the same manner. So some people are asking my voice is not clear. Wait a minute, I will check once. No. Actually, my voice is clear here. I'm listening here also itself in my mobile. So please check with your net connection. So next, what we need the softwares here. Okay, so we have the Unity Hub and Amazon based and Google VR for the everyone, and like Blender. So like that, whatever we have the different type of uh, softwares are there. We can see here. So like here we can use. So some people are asking VR is a hardware or software. Okay, your voice is like a Google Assistant. No. Actually, you have to understand easily, na. So that's why I'm telling very slowly. Okay, because okay then fine. So here we have different type of what is that different type of software setups are there, and some people are asking, ma'am, VR is like a hardware or software? It's not only about the software. We can do activities with the hardware. Along with the hardware we can use what we can do along with the software means in mobile apps we can use, and otherwise you can see in this picture. Okay, in Google Maps or anything, what we can do there. So we can do like if you are seeing anything means around the 360 degrees we can see the picture, right? So that's why we can use this virtual reality and augmented reality for both hardware and as well as the software setup. And before going to the next step, augmented reality, I will show you how to do the hardware setup. Okay, so now I am going with the Chrome. Okay, now you can search. Okay, so now we are going with the practical part. It's not about the fully practical part. Now we are checking, we are seeing like installation of for this virtual reality process. So now I am typing here Unity Hub. Okay, you can see, so one of the best software for this, we have the Unity Hub here. So you have to click type Unity Hub download. So here in Unity Hub we have different type of versions are there. Latest versions are there and old versions also there. If you want to install this Unity Hub, so you can go to any software here. So click on the download option. So here you can see it's asking choose your Unity Plus download and choose Unity Hub. If you are downloading directly, whatever we have the latest version, it will come. If you need exactly the different version, you have to search for the version and whatever the system requirements you need. Okay, if you want to go with the Windows, you can take Windows. So here you have the option like download Unity Hub, right? Just click on that. In between, I will check with my voice setup. Some people are telling my voice is not clear. Okay, I will check with my voice setup. And here you can see, go to Google Chrome and type download Unity Hub, and you can see this option. Click on this one. If you want to go with any released versions, different released versions, we can see the released versions. Not only for the Windows, actually I am using Windows laptop. If you want to go with any other softwares also, we can go. Now I am downloading Unity Hub in my laptop. So see, I am clicking on this one. I am clicking on my saving button. It's getting download. So in between I will check with my voice. Wait for 1 minute. Okay, so now it's already downloaded. So now if you have the laptops, please check with this. Okay, so you just click on the Unity Hub, but whenever you're going with the Unity Hub, you need exactly Visual Studio in your laptop. So it's showing press page down to see the things. I'm going agree. So in program files, I'm downloading. It's getting download. So it's taking the installation process, and if it is actually it will take too much of time for the installation of things what we need exactly. Okay. So just installation of Unity Hub is done. Okay. The remaining thing we have to install in the Unity Hub. So now I'm typing Unity Hub. So it's came already Unity Hub. Now I'm opening here. So it's asking access. I'm clicking on that one. And here you have to sign in. Okay. If you don't have the account, you have to create the account. Then only it will open. So like this it will open. So now if you want to sign in, you can sign in. So go with that. So I'm going with the creating of new account. Here you have to create the new account. So your mail ID you can give. So here you have to give the mail ID and any password you can give. You need. Okay, after creation of this account, okay, so now what we should do, installation of the packages, I will tell you. So wait for 1 minute. In this how to connect with the new things. So in another laptop I have already. So I will show you the software after installation of that one. What we should do. Okay, so there I am typing Unity Hub. Okay, you can see here. If you have already account, it will open directly. So we have already done with the installation, right? So like this it will open. Okay, so actually I have already connected with the password and as well as a mail ID. That's why it's open. But here we don't want to create again, right? So that's why I have opened from another laptop. So there you can see if you have any projects, you have to go with the projects, and if you don't have any projects, you have to go with a new project. You have to create. But if you want to create this information, first you have to go with the installs. Okay, so here the installs, whatever we have the Unity Hub process, here we have different type of versions are there. Okay, so here I have 2020 version of 3.6 F1. If you want to install another one, actually I have installed for this iOS, Windows and as well as for the Android. If you want to install any new things, okay, go to the installer editor. Here whatever you need, you can install anything. Okay, if you need any pre-released versions, you just go with these versions. Okay, like that, whatever you need the versions of this Unity Hub, you have to install here. So now if you already install the packages, then what you will do here? So you have to go with the official releases or any pre-releases. Okay, if you want to install any new packages here, actually this is not only for the single language, and we can use for different those things. So for the Android Studio,
Ask your queries, you can share your knowledge. Don't use unnecessary comments, you can chat technically. Okay, so Pantech is purely a technical platform. Okay, yes, very good evening Ritik. Yeah, so firstly we are going to conduct the workshop under the caption cyber security. This workshop is being conducted by SSM group of institutions. So firstly I would like to welcome the college manager.
so here now we are discussing about the next one is augmented reality. So now we can discuss with the augmented reality. What is the use of the augmented reality? So augmented reality is nothing but whenever you are going with the real time world. For example, you have the taken pictures from the real time, and if you want to find out anything in a real time process, like you have connected with the real time process, if you want to generate anything, if you want to do anything in a real time process, where we can use this one? So you can see for the location purpose. I told you every time I'm telling to you about Google Maps, right? So this is about the real time part. It's not about only any past part, right? Past is nothing but if you have any stored image, if you have any stored video, that is the past thing. But now itself I need. Then what you will do at the time? So at the time you have to go with the augmented reality in a real time process. That's why we are using this augmented reality.
Cyber means internet. Security means any technique which we use to secure our data. Why this cyber security domain has come into existence? First thing, for business, industrial purpose, for company purpose. Okay. So because in any business organization,